So we're gonna be doing grilled red snapper. Now you have to know that fish is the main, our main food from the Seychelles. People love fish. We all grew up with it, we all love it. And grilled fish is as well something that we cook at least minimum once a week. It's healthy, it's good, and we cook it completely different to how the rest of you probably in Europe will cook. We use ginger, garlic, lots of lemon, chili, spicy, definitely according to your needs. I mean, some mild, some very hot, some not at all. Though somebody like my mom, if you would tell her we're making a grilled fish without chili, she'll be like, oh my God, that's a crime. So a grilled fish without chili, it's like a crime. But how much you put is according to how much you can take. If you take me, a kilo of chili. So now we start with scoring the fish. Slices like this. So salt in the slices in between. And now for the sauce, it's garlic. So one, depending on the size of the fish. If it's a very small fish, then probably 2 teaspoons. But now it's quite a big fish, so we go like 2, 3, 4, 5. Quite a lot. Same with ginger. I love ginger, it's my favorite. I love the taste of it, the smell, everything. And in goes the chili. Now, everybody has, they can take us chili, you know, to a certain extent. So you go according to what you think. I'll put 2, maybe a little bit more. 2 for this. You mix it. Dark soya sauce for the color. Just to get the color. That's it. Lemon juice. We're obviously gonna add more lemon towards the end, but just to get the lemon in between a little bit of the sourness. So give it a good mix. And here it goes. Again. A little bit of water. Squeeze the rest of the lime. And in the oven it goes. Now I think it's time that we look at our baby in the oven. Let's see. Oh yeah. Ready, ready, ready. It's ready. Now we're gonna transfer it